Good Saturday afternoon, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. We'll talk about the weather here for the next few days. We're going to have showers, some heavy rain, even some thunderstorms in some areas. We'll talk about that right now. First starting with the temperatures. Looking at the NAM model, you see how the wedge has stuck itself in here. Well, it's going to break. This afternoon, we're going to see temperatures fully the upper 60s into possibly the low 70s with southwest winds. The wedge will stick around in the DC area and stay cool, but you can pretty much see where there's a boundary. In that boundary, we have a cold front and a warm front. We may have some showers, even some thunderstorms occur as this goes on. You can see then everywhere gets warm for the day on Sunday before this cold front crashes through the area and we get cooler with a west wind. So what are we going to see? Let's take a look at our convective perimeters here. I like looking at enhanced salinity index just to get an idea if we get any severe weather. And we'll talk about severe weather in a minute for another location. And you see in the far western part of this, Tennessee, in that area, yeah, we're going to have some severe weather. But look, we're looking at tomorrow, Sunday. We have this little bit of area, not a big area for advanced salinity, but let's take a look what it says on the actual sounding, what's going on in the atmosphere. And you can easily see when this comes up what's going on there. But we were talking about severe weather back here. We have a marginal risk, a slight risk, and even a moderate risk for certain areas. So possibly some tornadoes and damaging winds in parts of Arkansas, Texas, that area, and then into Tennessee coming up. Here's our, like I said, here's our area. We do have some turning with the wind, and this actually comes up as a marginally severe area. So damaging winds and even an isolated tornado on Sunday, when I clicked in that area, could be possible. Do I think it's going to happen? Pretty slight chance, but we just have to have that in our back of our brains as that cold front approaches tomorrow. Mainly would be a damaging wind threat. So back to here, and we're going to show you other things, how much precipitation we are looking at. And we'll put this ahead. Mainly in this area over the next 2 days, we're looking at about 0.2 inches of rain, but areas such as back here in Indiana, back here, heavier rainfall, and you can see streaks coming into North Carolina with that also. And that'll continue. Not much rain, but enough to wet the ground, but it's still not going to be good enough for the fire danger coming. So over the next 5 days, we have to wait and see, but we're going to have temperatures, some unsettled weather until about Monday and into Tuesday, and then it'll get a little nicer, and you can get unsettled by the end of the week as we get the cold front, really good cold front, come through by the next weekend, which will drop us back down into the 40s and 50s, and then even lower than that, which could lead to some other interesting. So at that point, we will talk about that in a future video, but until then, stay dry, skip the rain, and watch out for rain today. As you see here, we're actually going to see some precipitation. We're going to have a break until about 4 o'clock, and then the heavier precipitation moves in. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, thank you for watching. Have a great day.